So what's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Nick with 803 Speed, and it is 4:30 in the morning, and we are on our way to Florence to go meet up with Rodney. Remember, Rodney had the black Mustang with the Borla video. Anyhow, we are on the way to Florence to go meet up with him, and then from there, both of us are going to go drive up to ProDyno up in Rock Hill. Rodney's going to have some work done to his Mustang, and while they work on that and tune it up, we're going to probably go over to Top Golf in Charlotte, go hit a few golf balls, and yeah, we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Peace.
GoPro, I'm snapping.
All right, so where are we going today?
ProDyno.
What are we doing there?
Trying to make power.
You're gonna need to make a lot of it.
I'm not outrunning that little car you got.
Ooh. Ooh. So what are they supposed to be doing to this car?
Turning it from a V6 to a V8.
Yeah, right. Alright, we made it to ProDyno. There's Rodney's whip. Getting it ready. I'd say they got a ton of Mustangs out here. You ready, son?
Got that thing.
Huh?
We'll see. I just want to say, he's down $10. I'm kicking his butt. I'm not going to edit that out.
Alright, so we are leaving Top Golf in Charlotte. Let Rodney win for a little while, let him feel good about himself. Now we're gonna go head back to ProDyno, go see what they got done on his car, and hopefully by the time we get back they'll be ready to put it on the dyno. How do you feel that I let you win?
You didn't let me win. You won't let me take your money on purpose.
Yeah, right.
You put these back there too?
You can. Alright, catch you guys when we get back to ProDyno. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much going to do it for today. We had a lot of fun over at ProDyno working with Dan and getting Rodney's car tuned up. Ended up making about 660 horsepower. Found a few issues with like the fuel, but I think Rodney's going to take care of those and should be pretty close to making 700. And probably the next time he goes down there to see Dan in a couple of weeks. So anyway, we had fun. It was a great day, and we will catch you guys next time.